What's up, guys? I'm Derek with Carolina Fitness Equipment, here today with the master, the guru, Alan.
What's up, man?
How's it going, Alan?
Guys, today we're going to talk about resistance bands. And listen, if you have a home gym or if you're a gym owner, you're teaching in classes, boot camps, it doesn't make any difference. The band is like the most essential thing you can add to your repertoire of equipment. So guys, the benefit of a band is in the variance. So basically what that means is, Derek, if you're doing a bench press as a champion power lifter, if you're doing a bench press, where are you stronger? Are you stronger at the bottom range coming off your chest, or are you stronger at the full extension at the top range?
You're gonna be stronger at the top.
Correct. So when you lift a free weight, you're limited by what you can handle in your strongest range, or in your weakest range. So if you can't press it past your weak range, you'll never get it to the strong range, right? So what a band does is a band is going to be weaker at the bottom where you're weaker, and then as your range of motion of strength improves, the variance of the resistance increases. They're letting you train the strong range with a higher level of resistance. So Derek, if you apply that to powerlifting, say you're standing in a cage and you're doing a deadlift, but you anchor it with bands on either side.
Yes.
Or chains.
Exactly, yes.
Okay, so there's lots of different sizes of bands, guys, and you can go from something that would be a way to add just a little bit more resistance to a particular lift using a barbell, or up to something that's a little meatier, and something this thick can really be good for even something like a split squat type position, where now I can train the legs, and where I'm stronger, the resistance of the band is stronger to give you something extra, either as a leg workout or a precursor going into your leg workout as a warm-up.
True, very much so.
So what are your favorite lifts powerlifting to use with variance to add on to make yourself stronger?
I love squatting against bands. That is my favorite. Because you're going to get the full lift of the strength of the band is going to be at the top of the lift, and then at the bottom, you know, it's all natural. So you just get used to holding that weight at the top, which makes you stronger.
Yeah, and if you think about it, injuries tend to occur in the weaker range, like at the bottom. So the band is allowing you to get that challenge at the top range of movement and limit some of that injury risk that you have at the bottom range, which is generally going to be your weaker range. So our line, the string core band, lots of different choices, and we even do things such as stack bands. So let's say you were doing a certain movement and this band was a little bit too light, you can stack another band on top of it, or use an extra band. So it's kind of like dumbbells. It's very easy to add a little bit of extra.
Oh, definitely, exactly. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Alan, thank you so much. We appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe and check out some of the other videos we have available.